Hello friends, I am Achal and welcome to my YouTube channel instituterank.com. So friends, today I am going to tell you about the topic important books for UPSC prelims and mains recommended by IAS toppers. Who doesn't want to clear the UPSC IAS exam in just first attempt? I think each one of you sat for the prestigious UPSC prelims and mains examination. And in order to succeed in the prestigious UPSC Civil Service examination, it is important that the aspirant has access to the latest updated syllabus and uses the best style material to prepare for the examination. So, in order to excel the UPSC Civil Service exam, one needs to read important books and material. Here, we bring the latest best books recommended by UPSC IAS toppers. So, firstly, important books for UPSC IAS preparation prelims. Number 1 book is Indian Polity for Civil Service Examination by M. Lakshmikant Polity. This book needs no introduction. This is the only book which can bring wonders to your study style and is recommended by each and every IAS topper. It has become a must-read book for aspirant appearing in various competitive examinations and in the civil service examination in particular. Second book is Indian Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania. This one is a gem for your entire syllabus of Indian history and culture. The content is also supported with a plethora of questions that will help students to prepare for the examination. Number 3 is Certificate Physical and Human Geography by Go Ching Leong. This book bestseller and is recommended by every UPSC IAS topper. This book covers the whole geography syllabus which is required for your UPSC prelims and mains examination. One can also go for the NCERT books from class 6 to 12th, but if you want to build some extra knowledge, then you must go for this book. Number 4th book is Oxford School Atlas by Oxford Publishers. A must-have book for UPSC aspirant, the atlas includes 200 maps with 94 thematic maps of India. Number 5th is Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. This economics book by Ramesh Singh is a comprehensive text which covers every topic in detailed manner. The book is a stellar product with many years of best-selling performance. Number 6th book is Economic Survey by Ministry of Finance. The Economic Survey by Ministry of Finance is the most reliable source on data India's economy. These books provide complete information about the policy and performance by the government. Number 7th is India Yearbook. This reference book is an authoritative compilation of the complete information about the current affairs of the country, which include important dignitaries, state policy, public scheme and important data related to demographic, trade, economy and others. Number 8th is A Brief History of Modern India by Rajiv Ahir. A Brief History of Modern India by Rajiv Ahir deals with the event that shaped the happening after the decline of the Mughal Empire and the rise of East India Company and advent of British rule in the country. Number 9th is Current Affairs. First book The Hindu, PIB and other important website and application. 10th is Science and Technology. Notes by Shankar IAS, daily newspaper, ISRO website. 11th is Environment and Ecology. Recent event on climate change through newspapers.